Fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Though most are beneficial to the garden, they can also be vectors for disease. Invisible to the human eye, the only visual indicator is the trail of destruction they leave behind them. They are pests of a microscopic nature, and if left untreated, these diseases can wreak havoc on the farm or garden. Disease management is most useful with proactive measures, again circling back to the health of the soil. Healthy soils offer less opportunity for diseases to thrive. For some farmers, this means creating a slurry of beneficial organic ingredients to be added to the soil.
The things that we put on the soil, probiotics, 25 species or so, sea minerals for all those trace minerals, a carbon product that helps to make 15 soil microbes, fish product that contains all yucca product, it makes water wetter, the fat goes through skin, everything, and it carries nutrients really fine, so it opens up the soil. And then we have a backpack sprayer, it's a blower, and we'll spray that on. And actually, if we're doing a cover crop, we'll mow a cover crop with my mulching mower and just chop things fine, and then we'll spray on that. So now we're not only plowing under all the microbes and nutrients that we've applied, but also we've broken up all these cell walls and all this vegetation. And so we have all this protoplasm spilling all over, and it's just like a feast for these microbes. The ones that are already there and the ones that we add. So they just have this festival of digestion in the soil for, anywhere up to a month, maybe even longer.
As in this case, the stigma of spraying is not always justified. There are perfectly healthy and acceptable approaches to spraying that include organic and biological ingredients. This can even include natural insecticidal foliar sprays. Unfortunately, in many cases, once disease is present, it is too late. Diseases operate by war of attrition, which they will typically win, though there are several mitigating techniques that can help. Removing and burning all affected parts of the plant can help to slow the spread of disease. If composting, it's important that the pile maintains an internal temperature of 140 degrees for at least 10 days and is turned regularly to destroy all vectors of disease. Sometimes the idea is not to remove the disease entirely, but to find out how much disease you can tolerate while still getting production out of your crop.
If our plants are super healthy, we might lose some of the leaves, but we typically don't lose enough of the actual product to bother us.
Like pests, diseases are inevitable. Proactivity is the key to the game for reducing risk, while reactive measures can still be taken to reduce spread. Keen observation and an understanding of disease can make the difference between crop recovery and crop failure.